Okay, guys, we're back. Apparently, I did it again. I forgot to hit the record button while doing the third page, so that's why all the work's done already there. We're just going to go over it again. All right. So 15, write the converse statement of if I go shopping, then I will spend money. Converse means just switch the statement. So unlike that other question where it was switch and negate, converse just means switch. So say if I spend money, then I go shopping. 16. If BD is parallel to AE, X equals. So they're telling you this is parallel to that. So I actually have two triangles. I have a small one, which is this one here, and the bigger one, which is this guy here. So I just label the sides 12 and 5. And this side is going to be 12 plus the 18, which is 30. Set up my proportion of 12 over 5 equals 30 over x. Cross multiply. 12x equals 150. Divide by 12. And I find out x is 12.5. 17. Point A68 is rotated 90 degrees about the origin. What is the image of A? So, rotation of 90 means switch it. So xy becomes yx, and then make the first negative. Or switch the sign of it. If it's already negative, it'll be positive. So in this case, I have two positives. So I'll put 8 and 6 down, and then I put negative because that would be the opposite of positive. 18. Explain the slopes of parallel lines. Slopes of parallel lines are equal. So if you look at what a linear equation is, a linear equation is in y equals mx plus b form. Your slope is next to the x. So I want those to be the same. So for an example, all right, if I have y equals 3x plus 8 and y equals 3x minus a million, doesn't matter. The 3's are the same. Those are going to be parallel. They'll never cross each other. 19, a line that has zero slope is horizontal. All right, horizontal line goes left to right. The slope equals 0. Vertical lines that go straight up and down have no slope. No slope is different than zero slope. Slanted to the right means going up and to the right. Slanted to the left means up and to the left. Slanted to the right have positive slopes. Slanted to the left have negative slopes. 20. The slope of the equation 5x plus 2y equals 9 is. So I wrote it over here, 5x plus 2y equals 9. I want y by itself, so subtract 5x on both sides. 2y drops. I cannot combine 9 and a 5x because there's no x attached to the 9. Okay, those are two different terms. So it's a negative 5x plus the 9. I just dropped it down. Divide everything by 2 to get y by itself, and I find out my slope is negative 5 over 2. This is my y-intercept. That doesn't matter because it doesn't want the y-intercept. Leave everything as fractions. So your slope is negative 5 over 2. Then the last one on this page is 21. If one card is selected at random from a deck of 52 cards, what is the probability of choosing a queen or a red jack? Well, there's 4 queens in a deck of cards. There are 2 red jacks. The other 2 are black jacks. So we don't need those. So 4 and 2 is 6. 6 over 52 would be your probability of selecting those. As 6 over 52, you could reduce it as 3 over 26. And I'll stop the video here for the third page. And the next video will have